Okay, so that's our beginning for 21st Century Schizoid Man by King Crimson. We're going to start out, think of the C minor shape over here. We're going to use that 5 on the D, and then 5 and 4 going down there. And then we're going to the B flat over here, 3, 3, 3, back into the C minor shape there. So we got, we're going to go to that 3, 4 right down there, 3 on the G, 4 on the B, to the 5 and 6, and then we're going to come back to the C minor shape. So we got, and then big F power chord, F sharp, G, back into the riff. See how we went to that 3, 4 right there? So C minor, B flat, C minor, that little piece of a chord there, 3 and 4. So bump, bump, 5 and 6, back to that C minor top. You can even hit that little 3 down there on that one. So it's. Okay, now this third one's going to have some unison bends at the end of it. Okay, then we're into the verse. So that was little 13, and I'm bending the 16 on the second string. Bending into that same note. That's what a unison bend is when you bend from like a lower note into the higher note that you're also holding. And then we go up 1 fret, so it's 14, 17. And then one more, 15, 18. Okay, so that last time you'd be like. Now on the verse, we're going to hit this chord here. It's 5, 5, 4. It's like a C minor 7 without the C bass. So 5 on the D, and then 5, and then 4, and then 6 with the pinky down there. We're going to actually hit this 12 times. So it's like 1, and these are staccato hits, so you stop them right away. 1, 2, 3, 4, second bar, third bar, and then we're going to hit a B flat chord. 8 on the D, 7 and 6, 6 going down. Okay, so verse 3, 4. Okay, then we're back into the main riff. And then that third one again with the unison bends. And then we do another verse just like that with the. So you had 3 bars of that. Each one of those is on a new quarter note. And then you end with the B flat chord. And then we got our main riff again. Now we're going to get into a thing where we're going to take this slow power chords thing, start speeding up a little bit. And then the last two are like bom, 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 bom. Okay, so it ends up speeding up like about 4 times, but the last one has like 2 sets kind of quick in a row. And then we're going to be into this part called mirrors. It's. Okay, so let's get into that. So we got 3, 3, C note on the A string there. Da-dum, dum, dum, and then 1, 2, 3 on the D. So it's. Second part starts the same. But we stay on the 2, 1 on the A string, down to that 3 on the E string, so. And then we're going to come up here, 4, 5 on the D, 3 on the G, so it's. And then 5 to 3 and 4 on the G down there. So. Okay, so. And then we're going to go to the octave of that C. So 5s with 4, 5, 6 on the B, so. 4, 3, 5, and then. We're going to go 7, 8, 6, 8, 6, 7. So it's the same type of stuff in a higher octave. So. Okay, then we go back down to the beginning. Now instead of these slow ones, this time we're gonna go. So triplets, 4, 5 to 3 on the G there. We do 4 sets of that. Back to the octave. And then once again, we're gonna do 4 sets real fast. So that's 7, 8 to little 6. Okay, then we're moving on to a new part. This is gonna be called 3 score and 4. So we got. So there is a pause before this, so it's like 1, dump, dum, dump, dum. So watch out for that pause there. But it's gonna be little 6, 6, 8 on the B, 3 times, and then that 6 on the B, to 8 to 5 on the G string. So. So we do that one twice, and we come up here to the 8 over here on the B. So that's 8 to 8, 10 on the G, 3 times. And we go back to that 6, 8 to 5. Okay, so it's boom. And then we're gonna go back to the 6 and 6, 8 thing 3 more times. So. Okay, now at that point, we're into the crazy guitar solo. We're not gonna do the solo in this lesson. We're gonna keep on moving. After the solo, we get back into that 3 score and 4 thing, so we won't worry about that. We just did that one. Now let's look at the breakdown. This is some new riffs. Here we got. Okay, so real fast is like. Okay, so it's some crazy stuff. Let's take it nice and slow. We got 3 to 6, 3, 4, 5. 3 on the D, back to 4, 5 over here, so. And then 3, 5, 3, 6 on the G, so. And then we're gonna do a triplet, ba-da-dum. So pull off 5, 3, down to that 5 there. 2 more notes in this measure, so it's, and these are 16th notes mostly. Now the next measure, 3, 3 on the B, pull off 6, 3, 6 on the G, little 3, so. Now we're gonna do that riff again. But it's gonna be followed by ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. So that's 6, 5 on the G, 8, 5 on the D, 8, 5 on the A. Okay, and then we're gonna move into part B here. We got. Okay, so this is part B. We got 8 on the big one, 8, 7, 8, 5, 8 to the D there. And then we got 5 on the D to 7 on the G, 5, 5, 5, 8, both on the D, and then 5 to 5 again, 5 to 7, and then 5, 8, 5, 9, 8, 6. Okay, so it's. And then we're back into part A. Now we have a little pause there. We're going to go. So that's 6, 7 on the G to 6 on the B. 2 times. And then we're going to go. This is 6 to 7 to 6. And then 7, 6, 5 going down that G string. So it's. And then we're going to have 6, 7 on the G, 6, 8 over here on the B, and then pull off, pull off, pull off, like we had before. 6, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5. So this part B is. this riff again. And then a little 6 on the big string there, down into a new riff. This is kind of one of the last new riffs we're gonna hit. Okay, so this is 3, 6, 3, 5, 3, and then we're gonna go in the A string down to the D. 5, 7, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 5, 3, and then you got your 5, 4, 3 to big 6 there. You want to do that riff twice, so. Okay, then we're back to the B riff. Back to the A riff. Okay, then we have the C riff. Okay. Kind of hit a 3 there after that little 6 slide. And then that mirrors part comes in again. And then we come back and hit it again with those faster riffs. Now this time we're going to do 4 bars of this. So that's 1 bar. We're going to go 2, 3, 4. And when that's over, guess what? Okay, and it does the whole thing with the... You got another verse, all that kind of stuff, same old stuff. Has a crazy outro. We're not gonna mess with that either. So this is plenty to get you started on 21st Century Schizoid Man by King Crimson. Awesome stuff. So 2 pages of tabs. Hope you all dig it. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.